So today we are going to have a Lego challenge. What we're gonna do, in this cup, we're going to scoop 1 cup of Lego pieces from that bin.
And then we will build whatever we want with the Legos we have.
There we go. Okay.
Take it out.
Okay, so pour your Lego pieces on the spot you chose.
It's not poured out.
Ready, set, go.
I need more minutes. I need something to do. Well, I can't even use that. Okay. I can't find any pieces I want to build.
So, how is it going, guys?
Kind of looks weird.
What looks weird?
This? I have no idea what I'm building. I have no idea what I'm building, so. You have no idea what. Whatever.
Far, what you have?
Me?
Huh?
This is what I made in my house. Looks crazy. I'm not ready.
What do you have so
I
far?
have this that has these on the bottom,
Okay.
but I'm not finished.
Yeah, cool.
Doing. Okay, this is gonna be good, but this is only one more of those difficult to find pieces. So I'll have to probably build. This is weird.
What is that called?
The escape pod. This is my original creation, and Elle didn't build this for me. This is my creation. The blast pod.
And what do you call that
This
one?
is the ship tank, and this is the puncher ship. The punch ship. The puncher ship. The blast ship, I mean. Which creation is better? This one or this one? Which one do you think is better? Let us know if the blast pod's better or the ship tank is better. Let us know in the comment of which one's better. This one. The blast pod